Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon sea turtle. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to begin with our sea turtle, we're going to start right here and we're going to make the head. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's going to curve up and then it's going to come down like this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to go in, and then it's going to curve up for a little smiley face. Next, starting in here a little bit, we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve up. And then right here, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, and I'm going to bring this line up and connect to it for the neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve all the way across to here. And starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up. I'm going to go all the way across that line, and then we'll connect it with a little rounded end there. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that curves down, and I'm going to make another one right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then I want to bring it in just a little bit. I'll do the same thing here. We're going to curve up and then go in just a little bit. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. And then I want to make the bottom of the turtle. So I'm going to start here. We want to draw a little line that goes right to this leg. I'm going to jump over it and curve it up to here. And then we'll have a little bit of space right there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and then I'm just going to curve it up to here for that other fin. And I'm going to make one right here, just a little bit smaller, go down and then up. Now for their little shell. All you want to do is draw a line that goes up and curve it down to here, kind of like a sad face. Now for the details on the shell, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down at an angle. I'm going to go across, and then you want to bring it up like this at an angle. Then I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and then another one that goes down here for the shell. Now starting right here, I want to make the eye of my sea turtle. So all I'm going to do is make a little circle shape. I'm going to add a smaller circle towards the top. Then I just want to color the rest of this in. And then last, I'm just going to come here and I'm just going to add a little dot for the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon sea turtle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this.